Hi. Make it short. Working on a Mini. Video being made. Having cooling issues. Let me show you the #1 cause of cooling issues on an R53 Mini, which are my favorite. See this gear? See how this gear has no center to it? See all this dusty stuff at the bottom? This is the drive gear from the supercharger to the water pump. See how rounded that is? Not supposed to be that way. It also moves a lot. So this is why we buy these cars. Super simple. This case, I mean, we can rebuild the supercharger, but for time's sake, I'm just going to put one on it because I have a good one. The car will be ready for the road, or let me know. It's perfectly nice. I mean, it's 179,000 miles on an R53, clean interior. I'm thinking we might cut it up and turn it into an exo cage car, meaning every body panel gone. Trying to figure out how to keep the factory roof because I'd really like to keep a roof, but tube chassis, everything else. We'll see. Interested to hear. I mean, I don't know how many of you actually see this, but if you like Mini Coopers or if you want to flip cars, I can teach you how to work on these. Not exactly the best example at all times, but most of the time. Have fun.